For anybody who's having trouble installing the Fusion titles in Resolve for the newer versions of Mac OS, here's a quick way to do that. When you're in Resolve, go down here to the lower right-hand corner where it says Project Settings. Let's click on that. And we're going to go down to this fourth item on the left here, Color Management, and scroll down. This is normally where you would install LUTs. We would open this LUT folder. Let's go ahead and click that. And that'll bring up your Finder window into the LUT folder. So this is just the folder that Resolve looks for things in for the color grading LUTs. But what we're going to do is right-click on this here where it says LUT and go down to DaVinci Resolve. That's going to be the main folder that Resolve looks for all of its presets and things like that. And under Resolve, there's a folder called Fusion. And under Fusion, there's a folder called Templates. And under Templates, there's Edit or Fusion. If you're going to install titles to use in the edit page, like most of us want to do, twirl down Edit, and under Titles, that's where you put everything. So I have these in here, and what I've done is drag those into that folder. I'll close this, and then restart Resolve. Okay, restart it. Once it's restarted, in the edit page, if you go to your effects library, under Titles, you can see the titles that we installed just now are available. So I hope that's helpful. I know things can be a little bit confusing, but that's the easiest way that I've found to find out where the heck to install those titles. If you want a really good place to get some titles and you haven't yet, check out this right here. These are our Fusion titles for editors. It's an amazing pack of just some beautiful stuff.